Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go here to the left side bar and you want to check your folders like your archive, your spam, because the emails that you're trying to look for might have been directed to these folders, or you can also check on other folders over here if you have any. And if it's not there, you want to go to the settings. So click on the settings over here at the top right side, then click on more settings. Then you want to click on filters. And you want to check your filters because you might have made some filters that filtered out the emails that you were expecting to other folders like trash, the spam, the archive, or whatever. And if you're clear with the filters, you can also check security and privacy over here. And you want to check if there is any block addresses, because if you've blocked the sender, then obviously you can't receive any emails from them. But if you're also clear with this one, you can also check on mailboxes over here, and you can also check on your email address over here. And you want to check in with your sender if they have the correct email address of yours, because if they have the wrong email address, then they might have sent the email to a different email instead of yours. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.